I'm gonna bulk up this recipe with vegetables. Now the purpose here is to make it kind of like a ground beef recipe. And because lentils are kind of flat and mushy, we're gonna add celery and carrots and cut them thick. Not gonna mince them down. I wanna be able to chew them, you know. I have this pasta sauce from Trader Joe's. I never tried it before, but it has a lot of good stuff in it. And the cooking wine and all that other stuff, that nice little flavor. I was like, okay, and I got mushrooms in it. I don't even need mushrooms. It's in the sauce. I thought that was good. It has a lot of things in there, basil, oregano, a lot of things I didn't necessarily have to add to the lentils, but I did anyway. The garlic, basil, black pepper, everything inside of there except for, I think, oregano. And I use these capellini pastas, which take 3 minutes to boil. I think they're a little bigger than Angel here. I don't really know, or they're the same size. Who knows? So I saute the celery and carrots in olive oil, and then I pour the sauce in there. Give a nice little simmer. And it's really that simple. Like, things that make you happy are usually kind of the simple things in life. And something like a giant bowl of pasta, a giant plate of pasta makes me so happy. I just sit down and smile. Oh my goodness, it's such a wonderful experience. So of course I'm just pouring everything together, and I boiled the pasta at the same time. And look at that. Doesn't it look kind of ground beefish? Look like ground beef to me. So after that, I just put everything on the plate because it's so easy. I don't know, 15 minutes. Well, the lentils take like a good 35, 40 minutes to boil. But everything else, I mean, the preparation and all of that, just to put it together, it's so good. And it just makes me happy. Even looking now, back at it, I made this a couple of days ago. A full plate of pasta, I put more sauce on top. It's so good. And the flavors, because I didn't add any salt, I had to go, ooh. It was well seasoned as I bit into the first bite. This makes me happy. It's just joy. Food is joy. I hum while I eat. I sing. I dance. Look at that layer. That thick layer. This is happiness.